Morning, YouTube, friends and family. Hey, welcome to Thursday. Well, that big snowstorm I made such a big deal about yesterday turned out to be a big flop. It looks like the forecast now is calling for almost all rain. Maybe we'll get 1 to 3 inches out of it here. It's always fun to imagine that you'll get snow, and always disappointing when you don't. Thanks for coming with me on my day, and I'll see you in the car. Honker, honker, honk. How'd you like to have your face and name on the side of your work vehicle? AFC does it. Approaching 3 hours. Here on site, we have the dryer duct nearly completed. Bathroom exhaust fan is wired and partially ducted. We're in good shape today. The weather is also holding off, so hey, we'll take it. This dryer had been ducted with plastic, which is definitely not a good idea. Partly because the static that builds up when you're using plastic allows the particles that are being exhausted from the dryer to cling to the inside of the pipe. Once those cling to the inside of the pipe, then they become possible fuel that could ignite if things get hot enough inside the dryer. So we've converted this entire run to galvanized steel. Bathroom exhaust fan, plastic is fine. No particles, no heat. Dryer, gotta have metal.
So anyhow, we have to move this thing back in a little bit.
Okay, do you want me to climb in the hole?
No, I can climb in the hole.
Okay, yeah. Well, it's crazy when you ask the old timers how they used to test for gas leaks, you know, and they just use the candle to see if they could see that gas burning out of the fitting. Like, all right. Guess if the pressure's going one way. Oh, I've heard a number of them tell me that.
Maybe tilt it back this right here. We take a 90-degree on the other side. Okay.
We're gonna have to be below this plate though, because the pipe, if we want it to be pitched down from out there, we're at, I mean, I guess we can bring it up higher than it is now, and then we can get our pitch.
Okay, so
you want to take a look up there?
Yeah.
This is the, okay, you just cut. I got you. All right, it's official. My work week is done. We have decided to blow off the day tomorrow. You know, the weather is already really bad, and I'm sure it's only going to be worse tomorrow. So I got a 3-day weekend, maybe 4-day weekend staring at me. So glad the day is done. Thanks for coming with me on my work today.